How is a laser beauty machine assembled? The composition of the laser beauty machine. Galvo control system. Laser power supply. Galvo driver motor. Galvo power supply. Heat sink. Water tank. Power supply transformer. 30 watt CO2 glass tube laser. Water pump and air pump. 7 jointed articulated arm. Galvanometer. 7 jointed articulated arm laser output calibration. Laser close end calibration. Laser far end calibration. After adjusting the far end, go back to step 1 and confirm the position of the close end. Once the calibrations are completed, secure all the screws of the laser. Galvanometer laser output calibration. Testing the light output of the articulated arm at different power and working angles, checking the shape of the dot matrix. Installation and calibration completed.